going to go around when we get an opportunity to.
Yeah.
I did try to do a bit of that when I arrived, but we were running a bit late, and there's so many people to get around. So obviously throughout the day, we can spend some time getting around to speaking to everyone. So yeah, you can calm down.
I'm calm. I think I'm good.
You can relax now.
Yeah. For now.
Toys were Care Bears. Now, do you remember Care Bears?
Yes.
Oh, good. Because that Care Bear stare really scared me. She collected loads of them. Blue ones, pink ones, any colour that were there. And she loved them. But then she grew over. But she still liked to collect things. She started collecting videos of a specific program, Friends. How many Friends videos she's got, I do not know. I can't lift the box. But these days you can't really play them because nobody has video recorders anymore. It's all CDs, etc. One thing about Wendy is she loves comedy, theatre, etc. She loves the live shows. She likes to go to all of the live shows. And I remember one special day on her 30th birthday. I took her to London, we went for a meal, and then we went to see The Bodyguard. It was fantastic, and we both loved it, didn't we? Well, that's your little bit. It's now Wayne's turn. Alright, okay, here we go. Wayne, don't forget the Care Bear stare. Have you seen it yet? Don't answer that. Don't answer. Only kidding, Wendy. I first met Wayne on Yvonne's birthday party at our house, and that was in July 2016. And I thought, well, he's a great guy. Fine, nice. And he still is a great guy. Nice. But before I say any more, one thing I do want to say is I want to welcome Wayne into our family. I have a new son-in-law, a new friend, and a new family member. So, welcome, Wayne. We got talking about various things, and Formula One. He has a passion for Formula One, I have a passion for Formula One. So therefore, we never have nothing to say. We've got lots to talk about. The other thing was football. Now, here we go with football. He told me that he supported a northern team. Yes! He told me that that northern team played in red. Yes! He then went a little bit further and told me the initial letter of the northern team was M. Wow, I thought this is getting better. And then he lost his way. He forgot his right from his left. He forgot his east from his west. And instead of saying Middlesbrough FC, he said Man United. Do I forgive him? Should I forgive him? No. Well, now he's my son-in-law. I have to, don't I? I know it's a close call, Wayne. But no, me forgiving you for Man United and not Middlesbrough. But anyway, that's a done deal now. Going back to the happy couple, their future is bright. The knot has been tied, the vows have been exchanged, and the rings have been exchanged. And I think that from now on, all they can do is move forward in a bright and happy way.
Yeah.
As father of the bride, I'm walking down the aisle with my daughter, you get a little flutter and you think, well, you know, you're there to give her away. But I would like you to raise your glasses and wish Wendy
thing for us, my wife and myself. Today is Doris's birthday, so I'm going to ask you to give her a round of applause. I will not tell you how old she is, because a lady likes to keep her age secret. But you want me to say that? Oh, she's 77 today. And believe you me, she doesn't look any older than when we first married. The 26th of August, 1967. Last Thursday, we celebrated our 54th wedding anniversary. So we have had an excellent week so far. And today has put the icing on the cake. What a beautiful ceremony, what a beautiful couple. And thank you all for coming here. The holy bond of marriage is consecrated by God, joining two people in union together in holy matrimony. Love has no borders, it has no barriers, and it is for Wendy and Wayne to make this marriage work. And the love they have for each other, I'm sure that it will work. Going on, yes, there are times when they are going to struggle. Every couple, somewhere or the other, or somehow struggle. We have been through struggles in our marriage. Not because we don't love each other, but for outside influences that we have no control. And that has taken a toll over the years. From serious illness to fire we had in London in 1970, we have come through all that. We woke up on the 20th of February 1970 without a stitch on our backs when we had a fire at the apartment we were living in. And I must say, at that time, my wife was pregnant with Wayne. And Wayne, I won't say anything. I think Wayne was an accident waiting to come.
pandemic prevent you from being here today on our special day. Thank you for your many happy years together. When Albert Schweitzer coined the phrase, lead by example, he must have had people just like you in mind, because I feel you have set an exemplary example of how to live a happily married life, and as parents to both Karen and I. As you already mentioned, Dad, it's Mum's birthday today, and we just wanted to wish you a happy birthday, Mum. And I hope that our marriage today is the best birthday present that I've ever given you over the years. It's a virtue. And that is so true, as I know I've found a diamond in you. You are so beautiful, not only on the outside, but also from within. My most admired and respected quality in you is that you are the most genuine person that I've ever met, and I love that about you. There's nothing fake about your personality as you wear your heart on your sleeve. I've also learned over the years that you're fiercely loyal, and I really appreciate that about you. In you, I know that I've truly found my best friend and my soulmate. I am so proud to now be able to call you my wife. The best way that I can describe our relationship and being with you, and I hope that you'll agree, is that it's really easy, and loving you is really easy. And I promise that I'll do that for the rest of my life. So here are just a few
Again for the newly married Mr. and Mrs. Kennedy. Ladies and gentlemen, it's good night from me. Have a great evening. I'll hand you over to Tom. Have a good night.